Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. Let's begin with opening your contact list, so we will block the number we've got currently saved. Simply enter it, so find it and tap on it, and then tap on block numbers. Here we've got this option under the contact settings. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So let's tap on block if you're ready. For some reason I am unable to block the numbers, but I'm pretty sure that it will work in your case. You will see a specific icon and the information that the number has been blocked. You will be also able to unblock it in the same section. Simply tap on unblock numbers. Now let me show you another way through the settings. So here it does not really matter whether we will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in this general list we have to enter blocked numbers, and here this is our blacklist, so we can add a number manually. Just tap on this option, add a number, and now we can enter it. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. Here we can also block calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher here, all private callers and callers and the numbers that are not in contact. So it's up to you, of course, which option you'd like to use. You can also turn off all of those options. And if you want to remove the number from the blacklist, simply tap on this X button next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.